Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log in your PayPal account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your PayPal app. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in your password, or if you have forgotten your password, tap on the forgot your password option, or elsewhere simply type in your password and hit the login button. So once you do this, you will end up getting logged into your PayPal account, so you can simply surf through it and enjoy the features of your PayPal app. So this is how you log into your PayPal account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.